If you're watching this video, you must be interested in investing in your pond by purchasing a fountain. In this video, we will cover the ins and outs of purchasing a fountain with Aquatic Control. Hello there, I'm Patrick Whitson, Aeration Sales Supervisor at Aquatic Control. We wanted to put a video together to give our customers a better idea of what happens when purchasing a fountain with us. We thought the best way to do that was breaking down the shopping experience into sections: the free consultation, fountain selection, installation day, and routine service. The first step in every fountain purchase is our free consultation. The main purpose of this stage is to understand the property and the goals for your pond. Here we use GIS imaging to properly size up your pond. In this stage, our staff is trying to get to know you and the pond. We may ask questions like, what have you been struggling with? What do you use the pond for? Or why are you interested in a fountain? The next step is fountain selection. Once our team has a complete idea of your goals, we start the process of selecting the right fountain or system for you. This portion is completely custom for every pond owner. Each pond offers its own challenges, whether it be depth, shape, power supply, and more. Following fountain selection comes installation day. Once your order is shipped to our facility, we'll get you on the schedule to install your fountain. You'll need to have power installed ahead of time. Once we get to your pond, the process is easy for you. Sit back, give us a bit of time to get your fountain aligned, anchored, and installed. After install, we run you through an electric panel walkthrough and covering light controls and fountain and timer setup. Lastly is routine service. Like any machine with a motor, you'll want to get the longest life out of your fountain by maintaining it. Consider signing up for our fountain service program. The program consists of an in-season and off-season. In-season service consists of the following: monthly field service. We clean the intake screen and nozzle. We change out light bulbs if needed, check timers, test GFCI and control panels. We also physically inspect cables and unit for muskrat damage. In the event a service call is needed, those participating in this program will receive that within 5 working days of notification. Our fountain service plan also includes an off-season service element. Did you know that a fountain needs to be removed in the winter? A pond freeze could severely damage your unit. Under this program, we pull your fountain and take it back to one of our certified repair shops. While we have the unit, we perform routine maintenance, oil and seals as prescribed by the manufacturer. We check light bulbs on units with lights, and lastly, we power wash every unit. You would not believe how dirty these things can get. We tag your unit and store it in our secure heated warehouse. When spring rolls around, we reinstall your unit and get it up and running for you to enjoy throughout the spring and summer. To sum all this up, at Aquatic Control, we know fountains can be a higher ticket item. We want to do everything in our power to make you not only feel comfortable at the time of purchase, but throughout the life of your fountain as well. For your free quote, complete the contact form on our website or give us a call at 1-800-753-LAKE. We'd be more than happy to help.